Number 2, akesi minakubeka eoda ya olero. Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells.
Abiro kama Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells. Aido bag maber at a low price. Bada wewe, welcome. Uchakia woseko gendrea obonchorebo wa mitumba inchumu wa Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells.
Ndizi TV. Ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Bia umwanchu muri weta sene kya Ndizi TV ne chinga kichindingo kwarigani atwe manye mangana maya asenchera yowenge nigo charagire chinsa ikomi chabono maragoba editaria ne Dorcas Kimuma na nigo tokobwatira na nere Lydia Mose oyoko manya wetira senchera yemanyerio ne repeta mukaira kwane kinga mario gene chibicha wekere asenchera yowekera ngo kwenyeria abonya gotubwate wetira senchera yemetandao asense moya Facebook ogotunyamna Ndizi TV News Digital koikanse moya YouTube notabna na Ndizi TV News na boigo ase a website tobwate na www.ndizitv.net. Serikali nigo yaboliwe kwene kingango tumekere buya ebango eriego sangelia kurwase abakenya gaukwanaya no mubunge bwensemo ya kitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi asabolirie amorai bwense kwene kinga ebange yunkochere ase amagendero onsi imeyense to ya Kenya chinga kechubigo nigo atebirna nigo arachi kubwatrana amo na baiboli eri kwene kingango sirare chiseme ase ense to ya Kenya nana ase ebunge yaye.
Sisi tunaomba kanisa liweze kusimama, liweze kuombea nchi hii, tuweze kuwa na mafikira mazuri, tuweze kubadilisha uongozi wa nchi hii. Ushuru wetu unafaa kuandika watoto wetu katika hospitali, wawe walimu, wawe engineers. Kazi hizo zimekosa. Tufungue industries ziweze kusaidia watu wetu. President anasukuma, unapata anachukua mtu mmoja anatengeneza simiti na chuma, anamweka kwa mfuko, huyo ndio ajenda yake anasukuma, anakanyagia wanabiashara wengine. We sincerely need to transform our country. Na mimi nashukuru wananchi, ile pressure mliweka, hata kama ni kwa Facebook, kwa Instagram, kwa X ama Twitter, na wale waliweza kuondoka kwa maandamano, tunawashukuru sana. Nyinyi ndio mlifanya president huyu Zakayo aweze kufanya nini? Watoto najua wanaenda university mwezi wa 8, mwezi wa 9, the new entrance. Ninaomba wazazi kwanza tujaribu kuweka application ya higher education loans, mtoto aweze kusomeshwa na hiyo loan, na baadaye from January we will start supporting them with a bursary. Na pia kero kule meruona na whatever kero we will try and share with them.
Togo tikana na yona gos kamotwe ni gobono ebyombe ao bikurawane kyombe gyokwegerera obwene bwo mwanyabantu Amnesty International ni gobono bagi keire bikore bya banyanyimbo imejense twa Kenya asogo tumeka chinguru wetani ekerero chinguru wetani ekerengo aya maiga ya abasaye wetani emerongebere gusiria amagimabo wetera ase okukagero gukoraswa amasasi na banyanyimbo na bande gotigerwa chingoma chimbe na bande kugusirana gutamanyikana asibare gwikira boniga nigo bagikeirie ebikore bina kuboria serikali kwenekinga nkolendera abakenya nabayigo kwa abakenya obosibole bwabo chingaki bakora okurubikana nene chingaki chiga abakenya bale nobororo bonge igoro yogokonga kubugima.
Is decisive executive action, not a state-led national conversation, that will restore this generation's faith in the Kenyan state. It will bring back confidence in our constitution and governance institutions. It will create a nation that is united and driven by our constitutional values.
The National Police Service must stop criminalizing and profiling protesters and cease using camouflaged, non-uniformed officers and unmarked cars with concealed license plates.
All those who have been abducted to be released. If not, we are going to file contempt of court, and to those specific people who have deflected from those orders.
We are going to sue Inspector General of Police in line with the law so that journalists do not become victims of police brutality. We know very well that Geneva Convention says that journalists in such circumstances are supposed to be given safe corridors and protected by police instead of being attacked.
Huyo kabeire omubunge bw'ensemo ya Nandi Hills Alfred Katen nigo litukolerero aikabose bw'echobisi kyokora obutuki kya DCI asebono aikaro naboigo kubwatu kwa gusebwanchirwa koirana aya maiga ya bugoro muketeli kobe kwa byara n'ekinguru n'abantu bakageire koba abanyanyimbo aseyire twegwika asegetu ky'abanyanyimbo kyakamo kunchi kigotoka imeyo mu Nairobi na maiga yaye kubwatuka asebondi yabasigari asebono litukolia lero aeresire na gotebuna ayonsi kubwatikana na siasa na nene kubwatikana ningana betega kumoche serikali igoro yogosira kwa abantu abo agendete gosira asensito ya Kenya nena basaye abo bakorekana kwa milia serikali igoro yo ko muswada wechibesa bo mwaka 2024 oyubono ororekanire kuba umuchando monene aseboigo aterwe nigo arachi kugenda gotwara umusimamo ye nabigo igairane yaba Kenya buna buya ase ogotenana nere.
I want to really thank the Kenyans who came out to talk about this issue, because were it not for the people who took the video and for the video to be viral, maybe I would have lost my life, because the way they did it, it was not a normal arrest. I was abducted, and I was watching on TV yesterday when the president said, when you are summoned and then you fail to honor the summons, that is when you are arrested in the manner that I was arrested. But I was not arrested, I was abducted. There were no summons. I was never summoned. The first time I got to understand that I had issues to which they wanted to level against me, or they're raising allegations, is when I got here. And they were beating me up, trying to say that you've been against government. And then the questions that I was asked, one of it is my relationship with the former president, Uhuru Kenyatta, and my relationship with the current deputy president. And then issues to do with arms from Congo. I think it is a movie, but let us allow it to go as per the law, but generally don't intimidate us into silence.
We are aware that there are still a number of Kenyans.
Omuri kimonebe bwa kiombe kyo kyabakori emirimo Francis Atwoli nigobono abolire abarayiba serikali kwene kingango tegera bale ebiroro bya Kenya anene ase basaye be ekegori kya agency asebono ababolire kwene kinga nkoywa bale na gwikirania amaganyo alionsi baganeti ase alinge kunya kwana yone chinga kyalinge ase omunyegoyo mo bwa matanga ase chinsemo cha Lugari meye county ya Kakamega asebono abo atebire serikali buna batachiti kotegerera ebiriro bya Kenya nigobono barachi kubika ensete wa Kenya ase akonguna boigo kubika serikali ya Kenya ase abe
watoto wetu. We must listen to them, we must take their complaints. Wakati nilisema bili itolewe siku ile president alitoa bili, nilisema pia committee itengenezwe iende kwa 47 counties. Ukitengeneza watu 100 pamoja, hawa vijana wote, wengine wako Lugari, wengine wako wapi, hawataweza kufika kuongea mambo yao Nairobi. Hawatafika. Tufike kwa hawa, kwa villages, let's talk to them. Tuambie, this is what would be better for us, watuambie. Because wengine wana akili sana kutushinda. And we must accept that we are living in their generation. And there must be generational change. And generational change must be accepted. Tusingangane, Uking'ang'ana na ni vijana, nguvu zile wako nazo wewe uko nazo. Mbio zile wanaweza kukimbia, uwezi kukimbia. Ile masomo wako nayo wewe hauna. So we need to impress upon them, talk to them, assure them, so that this country remains peaceful.
Omo Senator we County ya Kakamega Boni Halware ni gobono amubolire murai wense Dr. William Ruto kwene kingango korale bikore byobukurume ase abarai abo bare ase serikali ya ekolengana nere nigo arwala atebina nigo abarai abo bakubogoria erieta liberi obukurume goche ase abana inchi ase bono atebire nabo bare omochando monene ase aba Kenya bono bali no bororo bonge ase atebina obukurume na gwagere aba Kenya aba amakongu amange asebono amuganira murai wense kwenekinga nkorigereria ale bonsi bali babwate obukurume gose bali bwale nebikora byobukurume nabo igo kwenekinga abo imukerigwe egetambokero kerichiko.
Mr. President, ikiwa unataka kuokoa wale waheshimiwa wenye walipiga yes, kama unataka inji itulie, Your Excellency, sio finance bill peke yake. Wakenya wako na hasira kwa sababu ya wizi ya hali ya juu ambayo inafanywa na mawaziri wako. Wakati Linturi, waziri wako, alileta wizi wa mbolea, nikainua sauti, alafu bunge ikakataa kumung'oa yule Linturi. Hiyo hasira kwa Linturi na wale mawaziri wengine ambao ni waizi kama yeye ndio inaleta hii shida yenye unaona wa Kenya. Namba 2, Mr. President, wale waheshimiwa ambao wako karibu na wewe ambao kwa muda kidogo 1.5 years maisha yao imependuka, walikuwa watu wa kawaida, lakini siku hizi wamekuwa matajiri wa kupindukia. Hata Didmus Barasa amenunua ndege, wengine hatuwaoni chini tena, wanapitia huko juu. Wengine wanaenda kwa harambee kama ya leo, hatoi kulingana na uwezo wake, anatoa kuja kuonyesha watu kwamba yeye ndio mwizi mwenye ameiba sana. Mr. President, how can a normal member of parliament aende katika harambee na atoe milioni 20 kwa kanisa moja, na atoke hapo aende kwa kanisa inayofuata anapatia padri gari mpya ya Prado? Hii sura mbaya, Your Excellency, prevail upon your MPs to stop displaying wealth which they have not earned. They are displaying wealth.
Omubunge bwensemo ya Homa Bay ni gobono Peter Kaluma ni gobono abolire ekyombe gyokoligereria obokoreri bwa abanyanyimbo kya IPOA ngango chakya bale obotuki ase abanyanyimbo bali bakageire gotumeka chinguru gwetani ekerengo chingaki chabasae baje bekegoligia agency balengo koleka gukora okurubikana ase eiki ya eta asabasaya bange babeta bagotigerwa chingoma chintinde nigo Peter alinge kunya kwana yo chingaki atalirete abasaye abo batigeretwe chingoma chimbe ase chinyagitari ya Homa Bay ase bono atebete ekene kwa kyowe cyane asabasaya bande basiretie amagimabo kubwatikana no gukagerwa kugwa kwa masasi na abanyanyimbo ni gobono agikeire egekore kyo nabo yukugani obotukigo chakiwa ase obwangomono na kwene kibuna abasaya bo saba Kenya nkonyo warabale obwene bwabo.
Unfortunately, in those demonstrations, the police officers who were involved and other security officers used excessive force. So I'm at Homa Bay County Referral Hospital, where up to 19 citizens of the country shot by police officers were admitted for treatment. I want to say that the observations we have made are very worrying. Most of the shots were on the left arm side, meaning the killer police officers were aiming at the heart and were shooting to kill. That is very dangerous, and we condemn it. A number of them are also from the back, meaning the police officers involved were shooting people who are already running from them. That is excessive. That is also not acceptable. The other information I'm getting from all the patients and those affected is that this was a single officer. There is confusion as to whether she was a prison warden or a police officer, but we already have our details. And of course, I want to call upon the security apparatus in Homa Bay that officer must be brought forth, because even if she is moved, we are going to track her, whether she's with the prison system or with the police. I work in the Administration National Security Committee of the National Assembly. I've been there for over 10 years now. I want to call upon the Independent Police Oversight Authority to come to Homa Bay.
Mwancho murigeria iganongo ikera mweri wo mangana majia senchera yo wenge kolende ajega mona yanda mange no nyonyole a senchera yo wagale chikoraga ense ya moya bono marogoba ireteria ne Dorcas kemoma nani go tobwatira na nere leader mose oyore okumanya wetera senchera je manyerio nere Petra Mokera ole kwene kinga mario gine chibicha ago ikire a senchera yo wikira no twara oborigerio buyeme ya Ndizi TV na bubwansu bwomogusi.